Hey everybody! In this video, I will show you guys how to install the SCX-102 front bumper to the Traxxas TRX-4 to improve its approach angle and ability to slide over obstacles. It's a very generic bumper, so it should fit all TRX-4 models. And here is the part number for the bumper. Since the bumper has an extended area attached to the back that hits the bumper mount on the TRX-4, we will need to trim it off. I used a flush wire cutter, but I think a pair of polycarbonate scissors will also work. After you trim it off, you can lightly sand it with some sandpaper or a file. Here's what the trimmed bumper looks like. Here it is installed on the chassis. And there you have it! A front bumper upgrade for the Traxxas TRX-4. Thanks for watching, and I wish you the best on your next RC project. I'll see you guys on the next one.